morning, guys. Heck yeah, first punching in. The snow's so heavy. My track, the old track keeps ratcheting. That was sick. We're bunching up here. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Just had to tighten my track, it was ratcheting. Woo! Oh yeah, full of holes. I gotta get back onto their side here. Don't want to hold anybody up. This is hard. You can see all the falling down snow off the trees. Dang it, I can't keep it on this track. This is a good time. I don't know what our direction is. That's a tiny tree. Oh, there's the sun. The sun's starting to poke out. Oh yeah, ratchet. Fuck, whenever that ratchet happens, throws her off a bit. I'm about as tight as you can go. Okay. You know when you're in a zone, but you don't know exactly where you're going, so you're just following along? That is not benefiting me. Dude. Oh, I'm in my own head here. Punched through that old growth there. That was pretty sick. But as you can see behind me here, the sun is starting to shine. Gonna be awesome. Whew, my arms are sore from that. Our goal here is we're gonna punch out this here. Get things going on the up and up. I need a better run at her. Oh, with this snow. Oh, Jesus, this ratcheting is not helping me. Yeah, she fucking skipped like 4 or 5 times on that go.
Yeah, that loud. Hey, whoever's stomped right up top.
Whew. It's steep and heavy in here. With that ratchet, definitely getting limited to where I can go up. Oh my god, man. This isn't working very good. Anytime it's a little bit of effort, and this is the updated Ski-Doo ones, and my track's only got probably 700 or 800 kilometers. All right, boys and girls, not only are we ratcheting anytime I try and go up anything sort of steep, I got the updated drivers and all that jazz, but doesn't really seem to matter. The snow is really heavy, so I mean that could be part of it, but the track's tight, and but look what we have here now. So if you look here, I'm using the kind of towards me facing camera, but the rollers have been destroyed. I tried to make one last pull and I hit a hard thing there or whatever, and they were no more. So that's that. I think I was thinking about going down just from the ratcheting, but that puts the pin in it, I think, for sure. We're just heading back down. The rollers kind of put a damper on the parade. Feel bad for everybody else. I think some of the guys are gonna go and just get down to the bottom and then maybe just skirt back up again, from the sounds of it. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. It should be good. Deadly! Oh, planted!
Oh shit. What a fucking goon show.
A little bit, yeah. Redemption run, yeah. That was quite the redemption run. Hell yeah! Heck yeah! It is hard as hell, yeah. Fucking hard snow. Bring it back other way. Oh yeah.
That was the stall. Meant to do that.
Is that the beginning of the moves you're talking about there?
What's that?
Gonna get a fucking stall going. Well, boys and girls, as you can tell, we made her down. I got the sled dropped off at Revived here. They're gonna get her all fixed up, but yeah, so have a good one. We made her, and we'll see you on the next one.